Students, this is a question where we need to find mean of a combined distribution. This question comes under central tendency where frequencies of three components are given, that is 200, 250 and 300, and their respective mean is 25, 10 and 15. We need to find the mean of the combined distribution. To solve this, we need to take a help of a table to understand the question better. So this is the table where we are going to put the available data. We know the frequencies of component 1, that is n1 is equal to 200 given, n2 equal to 250 that is given, and n3 that is 300 also given, and the respective mean x bar 1 is 25, x bar 2 is equal to 10 and x bar 3 is equal to 15. We need to find the combined mean. We can denote the combined mean as x bar 1, 2, 3. We know the formula of mean is x bar. This is equal to summation of xi fi and divided by n, where we know n is summation of fi. This means that summation of xi fi is equal to x bar multiplied by n. We are going to use this to solve the question. So combined mean, that is capital x bar 1, 2, 3 will be equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 plus n3 x bar 3 divided by n1 plus n2 plus n3. This is equal to 200 multiplied by 25 plus 250 multiplied by 10 plus 300 multiplied by 15, and this will be divided by 200 plus 250 plus 300. This is equal to 5000 plus 2500 plus 4500. This divided by 750, which is equal to 12,000 by 750, which is equal to 16. So this is our combined mean and this is our answer. Thank you.